Today is the 20th of June, and July is fast approaching. We still can sow some seeds and transplant some seedlings here in zone 7 and above. But first, know your first frost this year. Mine is October 15. Before buying the seeds, read the seed packets to know how many days it takes for each vegetable variety to mature or each flower to bloom before that date of the first frost. For the month of July and August, we have 31 days each, and then September is 30 days, October 15, I have 15 days. So 31 times 2 plus 30 plus 15, that is 107 days. So I have 107 days. I have here a sweet corn early sun glow hybrid, and days to harvest is 63 days. So I have enough time to grow this. The corn was planted 2 weeks ago, and they have tassels already. Some of them died because of the storm. Plant 1 to 2 inches deep and thin at 8 inches to 12. I'm planting them close because I don't know which one will germinate. I plant my vegetables in different areas of my garden. I prefer that way because the most destructive factor are the strong wind and hail here in zone 70. Garden bean, days to harvest is 50 days. I planted the bush beans 2 weeks ago, so I'm going to do succession planting. I'm going to plant the seeds 3 inches apart and then thin them 6 inches apart. The depth is 1 inch. Asian string beans, cantaloupe, honeydew, watermelons. The honeydews and watermelons, days to harvest 100 to 120 days. In my first attempt in planting the cantaloupe seeds, I sowed around 5 seeds. Nothing grew. So I attempted again 7 seeds. And I have 3 healthy plants growing now. I planted The seeds half-inch deep. Days to germinate 7 to 10 days. The ideal spacing, hills or rows 4 feet, which I cannot afford. I planted the cucumber seeds here, and I think in this area it is the Pico bush variety. In my garden tower, I did the cucumber muncher variety. In this area, it is the cucumber Armenian, how do you read that? Metki white. Sow the seeds half-inch deep, spacing 4 feet to 6 feet. Days to harvest 55 days. Days to germinate 8 to 10 days. I have some seedlings here. I planted 3 varieties of the okra, baby boba hybrid. This is a dwarf one. 53 days to harvest. Planting depth is 1 inch. The burgundy okra, 60 to 70 days to harvest. 58 days for the Clemson spineless. Let's check the dwarf okra plants. Here they are. I have 4 plants in this area. The regular size okras. For the squash or pumpkin, I planted the summer squash and the winter squash. The summer squash or the early yellow straight neck, scallop colorful blend. And these are the winter squashes. $55 to $60 days to harvest. I saw very few bees these days, but there are ants, which are the one pollinating the squash. You can also hand pollinate. And that is my area for the winter squash. They're covered by the fig leaves. I've sown the seeds 1 inch deep and thinned them 18 inches apart. That's the only thing that I can afford. We got more seedlings here. I have been harvesting zucchinis. These are volunteer plants. I did not plant the seeds. So the seeds 1 inch deep and days to harvest is 57. I went out yesterday and I saw in the big box stores that they still have seedlings of tomatoes, okra, peppers, squash, and others. So if you prefer to do transplanting of seedlings, that would be good too.